What's up, YouTube? Penny Drives back with another video. I'm about to go to a customer and they have terrible reviews. I'll throw some screenshots of a couple reviews. Up on the screen right here. I mean, they look rough. My appointment's at 4. I'm gonna get there at like 3. I'm saying bye to the fam, and we're gonna get there and see how it goes. So yeah. I just got here, bro. This place is fucked. There's no room to do nothing. The docks are like right here. All these, I guess they got their own company running stuff out of here too, and like they just take up all the space here. So I'm about to check in and see what they're talking about. Yeah.
Go to door 13.
13. Is it on this side or that side, you know? This side?
What?
Is it on this side or this side?
The other side.
Other side? Alright. Jesus Christ, bro. She got an attitude from hell. Door 13, though. I'm gonna go back in door 13, leave the trailer shut, and they open it from the inside, so we're gonna find out, bro. As soon as I walked in there, it was like straight attitude from that lady. She wasn't like sign in here, do nothing, bro. She was like stuck her hand out, you know, for the paperwork, whatever, and I gave it to her, and she just looked at me like I knew what I was supposed to do, but I don't know. I've never been here before, but I don't think it's gonna be good. Oh, I don't think it's gonna be good at all. I was trying to ask her though, because she told me dock 13, and this building, you know, it's got two sides with docks on each side or whatever. And I was like, is a dock on this side or that side? And she just stared at me. She didn't say nothing, just stared at me. And that's why I repeated it. I was like, is the dock on this side or that side? She still didn't say nothing. She leaned in. She's like, what? And I asked her again, and you know, she said, it's on that side. So yeah, this is gonna be fun. So it is 3:36. I just got in the dock. They got the red light up there, so maybe that's a good sign. So we'll see. We about to find out. I think we might be in luck though, because there was a guy that was there, as you saw in the clip where I was backing up and everything. He left already, and he wasn't in the dock maybe like 30 minutes or so. But yeah, I feel them back there, you know, unloading everything in the trailer. So hopefully it'll be quick. Boom, we just got unloaded. Thank goodness. It only took them an hour, so I'm gonna drive around here and get my paperwork and then head to Savannah. All right, so now I'm just trying to leave this place, which I can't see around these bushes or nothing. I'm gonna need both lanes to get out of here, but I checked out with the lady, and she gave me my paperwork and all that, and she was actually super nice this time. She was telling me to drive safe and stuff, so maybe she was just mad earlier about something, I don't know. But either way,
1/2 mile.
I got a 6-hour drive to Savannah, Georgia to grab a load tomorrow. It's probably gonna go to Tennessee if I had to guess. So yeah, hopefully I don't have to fight much traffic coming out of Florida, because it's Florida, but we'll see. We will see. So I made it finally to Savannah, to this TA. I know usually they have parking here in the back, and it like never fills up completely, so I'm gonna stay here for the night. Got a appointment at 1:30 tomorrow, so yeah, look, there's like, I don't even know, 20 spots open, so cake. It is cold out there. It's not that cold, it's like 50 degrees, but it's a lot colder out there than it is in my truck. I was gonna set up for the other spot over there, but I saw this one had 3 open, and I trust my backing skills 100% every day of the week. But I mean, anything I can do to potentially minimize the potential of anything, I'm gonna do it. So now Western Express here is backing up. He's not doing a fantastic job. But yeah. He's got it though. He had it if he followed that path, but yeah, I'm gonna shut it down for the night. Get some sleep, wake up. I forgot my entire shower bag at home, so I don't have some clothes. I have nothing to shower with, so I'm gonna have to stop by Walmart tomorrow and stock up on a few things, but it is what it is. Stuff happens. He's cutting it at too hard of an angle. He's got the gist of it though. Let's see. He's got the gist of it. Now he needs to pull up to the right a little bit. And he's doing just that. Not bad, not bad, not bad at all. Alright, yep, I'm gonna get some sleep. Well, I finally made it to the shipper. My appointment got pushed up like 5-6 hours earlier, so that's cool. So I don't have to rush super hard to get to Clarksville, Tennessee. But I'm gonna go check in and see what's going on. Got back from the dock and and now we just gotta wait to get loaded. Oh man, I just made it to Clarksville. It was 574 miles. I was fighting with Atlanta traffic, Chattanooga traffic, Nashville traffic. I barely made it. Here. I had 23 minutes left on my drive clock, but I'm gonna get this unloaded tomorrow morning, and that's gonna do it for this video. If you liked it, you know, show some love, hit the subscribe button, like, comment, do what you want to do. But until next time, peace.